Hello students, in the earlier lectures we have seen details about the unit number 4. Now let's look at what exactly the contents for unit number 5. Earlier unit we have seen actually the contents which are discussed very much during the workshop which was organized for the teachers discuss about the subject that is ITCT, and it is simply just modified and then presented in front of you. Let's look at unit number 5. This unit actually we are going to discuss various terms like what is mean by data communication, what is the role of protocol, which are the different models are called as networking models. So this unit is titled with data communication and physical layer. The data communication which we are going to study over here, networks, network models, OSI model, layers in OSI model, TCP/IP protocol suite, addressing, as well as guided and unguided transmission media. So let's proceed. Firstly, with what exactly the transmission media. So this diagram will explain you what exactly the role of transmission media in case of the communication. So a transmission medium can be broadly defined as anything that can carry information from a source to a destination. So as per the definition, this is a technical type of definition. So where you can observe in the diagram related to this particular definition, transmitter is provided, then the receiver, but both transmitter and receiver will actually communicate with each other through the physical layer. So that is what mentioned over here. Either the cable or the air can be used as a transmission media to connect anything or any signal from transmitter to the receiver. This is as good as, let's say, when we do the communication, let's say with our friend, then we are using one mobile at the transmitter, other mobile that will be at the receiver. So the media over here will be the air. Now, uh, when we call it as a when we say that there is a necessity of transmission media, let's look at what are the different types of transmission media. This slide will explain. Here the mention heading as a classes of transmission media. We can simply say it is nothing but the types of transmission media. So all with the first type, that is guided or wired, and the second type is unguided or wireless. So in case of the guided or wired, either we can go for the different types of cables like twisted pair cable. So this can be either UTP cable or STP cable. UTP cable means it is the unshielded twisted pair cable. Next is the STP cable, means it is the shielded twisted pair cable. Next type of guided media, that is nothing but the coaxial cable, which we use in our daily life in most of the applications. Next is the fiber optic cable. This is actually used for the typical applications. And in case of the second type of transmission media, that is wireless, further it can be classified as a free space. We will see all these one by one. Okay, let's discuss here what is UTP cable. UTP cable is nothing but again classified in that is the wired transmission media. So UTP, this will say that it is nothing but actually unshielded twisted pair cable. So in this case, as the diagram is provided over here, it will suggest that the outer covering will be of plastic. So that's why it is named as a plastic cover. Next, to hold these conductors, again two cables are provided over here. Now this twist between the two conductors, that's why it is called as a twisted pair. But the significance of this U, When we specify it as a U, this is nothing but for unshielded, means there is no shielding. There is no shielding which is actually provided on this cable. So that is mostly for the grounding purpose, but right now it is not provided over here. That's why it is called as unshielded. For this UTP, it is not provided. Now the second type is nothing but actually the STP cable. So this is what the STP cable. So here the S refers as a shielded. So that is what mentioned over here. This is what the metal shield which is provided over here. So this is we can say the additional layer which is provided in the STP cable other than the UTP cable. So outer cover is of plastic, so that is why it is specified as a plastic cover. Next is the two conductors which are over here, but these two conductors will be with the again the plastic coated covers. So these are with the twisted fashion again. So this twist will be increased further. Right now this is we can say the cable that is explained to show the inner part of the cable. So thank you everyone. In the next lecture we will discuss about the different types of other medias, like what is coaxial cable and what is fiber optic cables. Thank you everyone.